All right, guys, the next song is called God of the Redeemed. We've done it a few times, but it's been a little bit since we've done it. If we do any intro chords at all, we're just going to do A and D. 3, 4, so one measure each. It's the same thing we're going to do at the end of the chorus. So the plan for the song is verse 1, then there's a channel. Every time we do the channel, we kind of drive it, so it's like a do, 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 do. And it's rising, the song of hope from us set free. So that'll differentiate a little bit from the verse. So verse 1, channel, chorus, one time through, and then we hold on that A and the D. Then verse 2, channel, chorus again. I think it's also only one time through, and then we do those little intro chords. And then we go back to the channel, it's rising. There's almost always a little bit of a break right before the chorus. Definitely the third time we do it, when we only do the channel on its own. It's not really a break, it's kind of a cymbal break. So we sing, it's rising, and then it's crash.
Hallelujah, to you, God of the redeemed.
So we kind of do that each time we do the chorus, but definitely when we go back to just the channel on its own. All right, so here's how it goes. And I'm not sure if we're going to do any intro chords. I think we're just going to jump right into it. I might do an A chord real quick so I know the first note, but here's how it goes.
We belong to you, Father. Love has come. We're orphans no longer brought into light and freedom by the blood and the mercy of Jesus. It's rising, the song of hope from us set free. It's rising up. Hallelujah, to you, God of the redeemed. Hallelujah, you've opened blinded eyes to see. We will praise you. You are the everlasting light. Hallelujah, to you, God of the redeemed.
D, probably do that twice. Okay, second verse.
We belong to you, Father, living for your glory and honor here on earth, just as in heaven we usher in the reign of your kingdom. It's rising, the song of hope from us set free. It's rising up. Hallelujah, to you, God of the redeemed. Hallelujah, you've opened blinded eyes to see. We will praise you. You are the everlasting light. Hallelujah, to you, God of the redeemed. God of the redeemed.
Okay, back to the channel.
It's rising, the song of hope from us set free. It's rising up. It's rising, the song of hope from us set free. It's rising up. Hallelujah, to you, God of the redeemed. Hallelujah, you've opened blinded eyes to see. We will praise you. You are the everlasting light. Hallelujah, to you, God of the redeemed. Hallelujah. To you, God of the redeemed. Hallelujah. To you, God of the redeemed.
So we do the last line of the chorus as a tag. I said we were going to do the It's Rising twice. I'm not sure if I'm sold on that. We might only do it once, so I'll have to kind of decide and let you all know Sunday. But that's the basic premise of the song.